Hey, do you like dry dropper fishing? So do I, but it can be frustrating. I want to show you how to take out the frustration. Hi, I'm Mickey Anderson from Fish Tech with this week's sliding dry dropper rig. The frustration in dry dropper fishing is if you've got your line tied to the end of the hook, as it comes in on the fish, that line is going to bump it away and almost put a weed guard there and make it hard for the fish to get. If you tie your dry fly on a tag like this, that is going to go in their mouth a whole lot easier. The next part of the frustration is on a standard dry fly rig, you've got one depth set, and it's hard to change that depth. With a sliding rig, I can change the depth from hole to hole by just sliding my fly up the line. This is a really cool setup, and this is how you do it. Tie your tag line right here with just a clinch knot around the line and bring that off to your fly. Now the trick here is you've got to have something to stop that fly from sliding all the way to your nymph once you hook up. So I'm going to put a tippet ring right here. Now even if this fly is clear up here, you'll hook a fish. While you're fighting that fish, this is going to slide all the way down till it hits the tippet ring, and it will stop there and finish the hook set. And it's really not a bad way to set any of your rigs up, because you could always cut your dry off, move it to here, and fish just to dry by itself too. So it makes changing back and forth really easy. Hey, for this sliding dry dropper rig and a whole lot more, come on down to Fish Tech and we'll help you out. Now go catch some fish.